Hey, let me show you two ways how we can update your graphic drivers on the Windows 11. So first of all, you can open on the taskbar this Start, then click on the search, and you will have to open the device manager. So input device manager phrase, open it, and now you will have to go for your display adapters. In my case, I've got the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 360, so I have to open it and click to update driver. Now I can do that with file from my PC, like manually. I can browse my computer and select something. If I'm looking for the online updates, I have to click to search automatically for the drivers, and in my case everything is up to date. There's also a second way. If you click on this arrow and go for this quick list programs that are actually in the background, you will have to click on your driver plugin, GPU driver plugin. In my case, that's the NVIDIA. If you have AMD or Intel, you will also find it here, and go into your experience, into your program, application program of your graphic card. Then go for the drivers, and as you can see from here, I can find actually new update. I can check for the new update just right here, and actually I have something here. So I can download new update by clicking on the download button. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.